I'm Andy Stevens. I'm the curriculum manager for motor vehicle. Previously been in the trade since I was 15, so it's a few years now, and currently been at the college from 2005 to present, and obviously gone through the college. Was a student at the college originally to gain my qualifications. We run levels from entry to level 3. Okay, so the entry level is basic motor vehicle skills, okay, and building you up ready for the level 1 for those that can move forward, and then the level 1 onto a level 2, and then the level 2 we run an automotive electrical, because that's the future of industry, and then onto level 3, also level 3 auto electrical and a level 3 mechanical. Okay, so that gets you ready for industry. We also have 2 levels of apprenticeship group, a level 2 auto care, which is the basics of motor vehicle, as in tracking, aimed at really at quick fit, Halfords and people like that, so quick turnaround jobs. And also we run a level 3, which is a standard, which takes us for a 3-year course to get you to a fully qualified technician.
Louis, motor vehicle level 3. It's my 2nd year at college. So I was here doing level 2 last year. I've progressed on to level 3 this year. There was loads of different units, fabrication with like pipe bending, welding, cutting metals. There's another unit on transmissions, like gearboxes, how they work, fundamentals of them, engine management. Doing a lot of engine management this year, which is the big step up. Like last year it was mainly fabrication, like refit and repair stuff. This year it's more like electronic controls, how they work, why they work, and why engines need electronics like to work alongside the manual, like mechanical side of it as well.
We have a main dealer workshop with 12 ramps in one workshop, and a level 3 diagnostic workshop where we have diagnostics from Bosch, Autel, Pico and Gutmann. We also do air conditioning. We have a fully working MOT bay with the latest tracking equipment. So we run tracking from the basics all the way to the digital latest tracking equipment. You know, you can come here and you can learn everything that you need to know about a car to be out and go and gain your self-employment. At present, we've got 48 apprentices, so they've already gained jobs, and they're mainly from our full-time cohort. Okay, because obviously people, when they're on the full-time course, the garages come to us, or we've got 4 at Gratian Borough Council. We've got a lot of main dealers and Mercedes specialists that come to the college, and we train them, and also a lot of independents. It's quite a diverse cohort of students, and our aim is to get them into employment, obviously.
College I feel is more hands-on, which is more suited to me. I want to go into like sort of the more manual sort of stuff instead of the research and development that you'd probably get from a sixth form course. If they're thinking about doing it, definitely do it. It's completely different to school. It's a big step up. There's a lot of trust that the lecturers give you. With what you put in is what you get out. I mean, if you do really well, you'll get a really good qualification out of it, and you'll get a trade for life. So it's really worth doing.